Hello family members, welcome back to my channel. This is your Anun Mangsa. I hope everyone is doing great. You guys have already seen my thumbnail and my caption, and I'm so excited to share you guys. First of all, I've started my YouTube journey on 2024, and it was on October month, and almost like 1.5 years. So because of your guys' support and love, my imatak share, I've reached this much. Thank you so much, everyone, and please keep supporting me. Even me, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. So kunba dindido moy, I thought I will just stop this YouTube na video ni chari do na bi ko share moy give up ko le share like because I like making vlog. I like videos. I like making videos, and I like clicking pictures. Na, aro, I don't know about others. Na moy kaning ko de moy to kushi pa na videos and ki ko pictures kan kichina kushi pa na to moy. I thought mo ikla video loina mo ikla mala phone mo jo video lo ar mo injila phone de rakha ki kam na to I thought I'll share to everyone na manu di dunia di dikhao mo kina type video loi gona na to ina phapna ko na mo I've start my YouTube channel ar kuma manu do moge ni chai devi ko kam bi nai nambi ko share and kuma manu do bi support ko share and thank you so much everyone support kora kaniri aro kunba manudon amni naparu ina kwa dibi moi thande challenge kona bi buna ase to idan kaniri thank you aro dibi shire moi ina kamao ina YouTube la earning po da non bodo bisase thakanai. So this is I got my first payment. I'm so happy. I don't know ki grow mo na do first payment ba mo ita phapna ko is puisa paile ina grow phapna ko takse itu grow do ko ita do list pishu she itu bi grow munja na ise to ita do matha to garam ise yeah guys dekhi se moila khushi bi munduk bi face na I don't know ki ko moi. So I will just use this money as my pocket money and I know I'm not support ko say, so please keep supporting me. And by the way, this is just a prank video. This is not my YouTube income. This is my sister hustle fee. Mula bunila hustle fee di pinapatala se. So this is my sister hustle fee. So sorry guys for wasting your time. Soon in a video pa my first YouTube income gonna soon I will say. So please supporting me and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.